In this video, I am going to show you how to fix the Bluetooth on off button missing problem in your Windows 10 and Windows 11. If Bluetooth is not working on your PC or laptop, or the Bluetooth dongle missing completely, don't worry, I will guide you step by step with simple method to solve this issue easily. So watch this video till the end and let's get started this video. So guys, you can see here under the Bluetooth window, you can see here there are no any on off Bluetooth button. So how to fix it? So guys, right click here taskbar and click here task manager option, click here more option and click here file, and after that guys click here run and type here services.msc. Okay, and check this checkbox, and after that guys click here OK button and find here Bluetooth service. You can see here there are Bluetooth service, Bluetooth support service. Okay, this service should be running here. Click here stop and again start this service. Click here properties, and if this service is manual or disabled, click here automatic. Okay, and start this service. Click here apply and then click here OK button. This service would be running here. Click here restart option. Okay, and after that guys this service would be running here. Audio gateway. Right click on and click here restart. And after that this service should be running here. Right click and start. These three services should be running here under services window. Close this window. Now we are going for next method. Open Windows Explorer and click here this PC, right click on it and click here manage option. And after that guys click here device manager option and find here Bluetooth option. If there are no any Bluetooth option, please reinstall the driver of Bluetooth on your PC. Okay, now close this window because your Bluetooth driver is not installed on your PC. So click here start button and click here setting option. Now click here update and security option, and after that guys Windows update should be up to date here. Installed all Windows update here. Okay, your Windows update should be up to date. Now again click here start button and click here setting option and click here update and security, and after that guys click here troubleshoot option and click here additional troubleshooter option. Find here Bluetooth, click on it and click here run the troubleshooter option. Click here. It will detect automatically Bluetooth problem and fixed it. So wait for some time and click here next button. So there are a problem, close this window and close this window. Now guys we are going for next method. Open any browser and download the Bluetooth driver, because under your laptop no any Bluetooth driver. Okay, now so after that guys right click here taskbar and click here task manager option, and after that guys click here file run new task, click on it and type here ms info 32. Now check this checkbox and click here OK and find here system module number here. This is your system module number. Note it and type here your laptop company name. So I am typing here this module number here, Dell So I have Dell laptop, so I am typing here Dell laptop. If you have Lenovo, type Lenovo laptop. If you have HP, type here HP and your model number, like that. Okay, and click here enter. So guys, if you don't know how to get and how to download Bluetooth driver, so I have already made for the video for that. Please check the description and find the link and download your Bluetooth driver. So guys, click here this first link. This is your laptop model number. Now scroll down and find here your Bluetooth driver under this list. So as you can see here, there are a Bluetooth driver. Click on it and scroll down it and click here download selected option. So guys, it will download this driver. Now guys, go under download folder and right click on it and click here run as administrator. Now click here continue button and install this driver on your PC. Okay, click here continue and click here OK, and guys, install this Bluetooth driver on your PC, and after that guys, check your problem is fixed or not, and restart your PC after install this driver. Now guys, we are going for next method. After installed the driver on your PC, open Windows Explorer and click here this PC and right click on it and click here manage option and click here device manager and find here Bluetooth driver option. If this not found Bluetooth option here, click here and click here scan for hardware changes option. So guys, it will automatically reinstalled on your laptop this Bluetooth driver. Now right click this adapter and update this driver. Click here this option and click here this, and guys, select your Bluetooth driver and click next. So guys, your driver get updated here. Okay, and after that close this window and check your problem is fixed or not. Click here start button and click here setting, and after that guys, click here devices option. So guys, you can see here your Bluetooth on off button get added here. So guys, I hope your problem is fixed here. So guys, if your problem is fixed, please subscribe the channel, hit the bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching.